Hi guys, impressive workshop and very clean.
Hi, thank you.
Hello, thank you.
Thank you for being on Dr. Carr.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, welcome to Forged. Forged was established in 2021 in Dubai. We are currently at our DIP location where we have a range of cars from German, American, and Japanese.
What about the services that you're providing?
Hi. So, we are actually specialized, as you say, in German and American and Japanese vehicles, mostly Germans and Americans. We are doing like minor to major service, everything for the engine to keep your motor running.
Here at Forged, our strengths lay in mechanical work, electrical work, and suspension work. Mechanical includes everything from the engine to the transmission and all the way down to the exhaust tips. So everything in between. When you hear, hopefully you don't have to wait too long, but when you do have to wait, we do have a simulator. You can play.
Where are you located?
Yeah, so this is our second location in DIP2. We started in Al Quoz and now we're here. So DIP2 Al Makasib compound, and you can follow the link for the Google pin. Our working hours are Saturday to Thursday, 10 to 10. We are closed on Fridays, but we are open over the Saturday and Sunday over the weekend, so you feel free to bring your car in on your day off.
We'll put all the contact details at the description box. Thank you everyone, God bless you.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Dr. Carr channel and mobile application are the best.